So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can get the Android P-like notification bar on your Android smartphone. So to do this, we need to first head over to the Play Store and search for the Material Notification Seed. Download it and open it. Switch it on and grant all the permissions it asks for. After granting all the permission, you would see your notification bar like this. You can tweak all the other settings provided in the app as per your liking. You can also customize the position of the icons by clicking on the edit option. In this way, you can get the Android P-like notification bar in your Android smartphone.